Hello everyone, this is Freelance Dev channel. Today I'm going to show you how to handle screen orientation changes on React Native mobile applications. I think you might face this problem when you develop React Native applications, for example like this. When you rotate your smartphone, you can see the ugly results just like this. As you see, the logger and input components are cut. There are two kinds of methods to fix it. The first method is fixing the screen orientation as portrait or landscape. For example, you can add the screen orientation setting to the under the manifest XML file. Android add SRS under the manifest XML here. You just add Android screen orientation equals portrait, just like this. The second one is binding a layout event handler. Here I show you how to bind a layout event handler. Here is this. I'll create a new component to change the layout of the screen with the current screen orientation. Oh, sorry. I'll import dimensions component from React Native, and I'll create the state screen width and screen height. And I'll make a function to handle the layout. So for example, layout. Just like this. This receives the current screen width and height from dimensions component. So this set state screen width dimensions get window width and screen height. Also let's get just like this. And this I find this function on this self area view component. Layout equals just a minute. This shown on layout, so bind this just like this. And then when the screen orientation of the phone changes, this event occurs and you can change the current screen width and height. I check if it works successfully. For example, just like this, console.log. Oh, sorry. Screen orientation change. That's like this. Then, ouch. Oh, sorry. I will open the React Native debugger and open the console window and reload the screen, reload the app. Then you can see the vlog screen orientation changes here. When I rotate the screen, yeah, look at this. Screen orientation also changes, just like this. So I portrait, yeah, 3 screen orientation successfully. Okay, this happened. Then I will make the new component here. Also class main part extends React component render return. Oh, sorry. Return. I will copy this, paste just here, and then here. Check. Whoa. Oh, and byte. I'm sorry. Works correctly. Then here. So if screen width is greater than screen height, that means the current screen orientation is landscape, and screen width is the screen height is greater than screen width, then the screen orientation is a portrait. So I receive the current state, screen height and screen width equals this state. So here I have screen height, screen width. Oh, sorry. That means the orientation is portrait. So style that content portrait, and when the orientation is landscape, then its style is container landscape. The difference is here flex direction as row. The flip is flex direction is color. So here container portrait else styles that container landscape. Check this. So it works correctly when portrait. Here. Well, works successfully. You can see, yeah, the logger is on the left side, and if it's infos are on the right side. If you use the layout event handler, you can make an awesome responsive React Native application just like this. Thank you.